Hey guys, it's day 3 of Vlogmas, so I hope you guys have really been enjoying my Vlogmas, and if you haven't, I'm sorry, my life is boring. But today, Melissa's gonna come in here in a second and help me, but I am going to put a new background. It's red and shiny and sparkly and like what I had last year basically, but I'm gonna put that up, and I'm gonna do my makeup today, you know, just because I feel like I need to. I haven't had really like actual makeup. Like yesterday kind of doesn't count. Like I haven't had a full face of makeup on in over a week. And I'm beginning to doubt my own skills here. So we're just gonna put that up, and then I am going to do like a cute quick makeup look, and then take a few pictures for Instagram and then throw those up on Instagram. So it looks see-through from the back, but I'm gonna show you guys the front, and it's totally not see-through. See, you can't see shit because the glitter or the sequins are so reflective, so you can't really see anything. So I'm gonna film a makeup look, and I'm not gonna show it to you guys because it's not really gonna be anything special. Or I'm not gonna film it. I'm just gonna like take pictures. So because it's just a look for Instagram, it's not. So I'm gonna leave my link to my Instagram in the description box like always, so in case you want to check it out, you know. And I'll see y'all in a little bit. So I am back. I am done with my makeup. Isn't it so cute? I know you can't see, but there's green on the bottom, and then I tried to do snowflakes. It didn't really work out very well. Melissa says they look like stars, so they're very on point with stars. But it's red and stuff like that. It's super cute. I'll show you in better lighting, but right now I have to clean the kitchen. There's hella dishes that need to be put away. There's hella dishes that need to be done, and while I'm doing that, I'm going to watch my friend Jessica, her Vlogmas vlog. What is that, chicken? I think it's chicken. Jess, what is that? I know she's got mushrooms. Oh, I think it is chicken. And mushrooms and tomatoes. Which I don't really get down with that. But, you know, to each their own. She's making her own little pizza. It's very adorable. So I'm going to listen and support my friends. You should support your friends on YouTube. So I'm going to watch her and a few of my other friends like Kelly. I'm going to finish watching Lori's video from Pretty Psyched. All of those people. Kendra Morgan. I'm going to watch all of those people while I'm cleaning the kitchen. So I'm gonna drink my coffee and finish, you know, supporting my friends, and then I am going to, Melissa wants to go to the dollar store today, and I'm just gonna ride around with her while she goes into places, in and out, you know, just because I need to get out of the house, okay? Let's be honest. So I will see you guys later, and if anything happens, I'm gonna bring my camera with me so you guys can see. Okay guys, so I'm gonna just play with Saint and try and get him to listen to me a little bit better, because I haven't been doing enough of his reinforcement training, like at all. So, because I've been working and stuff, but he was at one point really well trained. So I'm going to see if, because he hasn't been listening to his silent commands, he's been having to have me talk, but he's been trained like for hand signals and no talking, and he's been trained for just verbal commands as well. So his word recognition is really, really good. Just gotta work on it and keep reinforcing it, basically, until I was over there. See this? Up. Jump. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Sit. Sit. Stay. Say stay. Say stay. Say stay. Say stay. Say stay. Say stay. Come here. Good boy. Good boy. Jump. Jump. Yeah. That's the mommy. Good boy. Okay. Say up. Good boy. Say up. Good boy. Say good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I know. I know. Get down. Good boy. I know. I know. I know. So we're about to go in the car and we're gonna do something that I love to do. So I'm going to take you guys along with me. Okay, so we're in the car and we're gonna go to my bank because Melissa's gonna give me some money. And then we are gonna go look at big houses just because I like looking at big houses. You know, it's a hobby of mine, if you will.
Would you like to go to Smoothie King or Sonic, since we have Nate?
You better ask me questions like that with the vlog right here in my face.
Do we either want something warm like a pretzel, or do you want a smoothie? Keep in mind, it's 36 degrees outside.
I think we both know I want the pretzel. But we're gonna get smoothies because the world is watching. I have to behave.
Just say we're going to get smoothies and go get a pretzel.
So you'd have me lie to my subscribers
so I can get a pretzel? Absolutely.
Okay, so there you have it. She would have me lie to you guys for a pretzel.
We'll keep you accountable.
Oh, I have to stay accountable, but she can get a pretzel. But she's skinny, so it doesn't matter. But when we get in front of the houses, you know, okay, I'll let you guys know. We found a neighborhood that we've never been in before, and basically me and Melissa just like to look at really, really nice big houses. So I guess I'll show you guys what we look at. Hi, Skylar.
I'm negative.
Hi, Princess. This is bullshit. Melissa's negative, so she gets to go see the babies and shit because she sanitized herself. And there's my big-headed sister. And we brought them some treats, some goodies. Oh my God, and Saint gets to get some love too. This is bullshit, and it's really sad actually. You guys, I'm actually kind of getting upset because now, even though I feel better, I have to wait, you know, the quarantine time. My son's over there, and I can't even go see him.
Go, get up.
This is bullshit. At least I have Saint, right, Saint? Oh, okay. Well, he's ignoring me, so I don't even have Saint. Well, I think since it's, you know, oh, that was bright. I think since it's basically the end of the day, we still haven't figured out anything for dinner, and all we had to eat today is smoothies, so I'm probably gonna go and eat some junk at home. But I'll see you guys tomorrow. I love you guys, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.